Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Newton wallet, filled with crypto, wishing you could access the wider world of trading and DeFi? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to transfer your crypto from Newton to Binance, a powerhouse exchange that offers countless opportunities. Building context, Newton is a great platform to start your crypto journey, but Binance, with its vast ecosystem of features and services, can take your investment to the next level. Whether you're looking to trade a wider range of cryptocurrencies, participate in staking or DeFi protocols, or simply explore the broader crypto community, Binance has got you covered. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Newton account. The first step is to access your Newton account. Open your web browser or the Newton app and enter your login credentials. Find your cryptocurrency. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet or portfolio section. Locate the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin supported by both Newton and Binance. Select Withdraw. Click on the Withdraw or Send button next to the cryptocurrency you've chosen. This will initiate the withdrawal process. Enter Binance address. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. This is where you'll need your Binance wallet address. To find your Binance address, log into your Binance account and go to your wallet section. Look for the deposit option and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. You'll see a unique address displayed. Copy this address and paste it into the recipient address field on Newton. Confirm withdrawal details. Double-check the recipient address and the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Newton may also require you to enter a verification code or complete a security check. Initiate withdrawal. Once you've confirmed the details, click on the Withdraw or Send button again to initiate the transfer. Newton will process your request, and the transaction will typically take a few minutes to a few hours to complete, depending on network congestion. Check Binance Wallet. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Binance Wallet. The transferred cryptocurrency should appear in your balance once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain network. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when transferring crypto. Double-check the recipient address to avoid sending funds to the wrong wallet. Consider using a hardware wallet for added security. Network fees. Be aware of network fees associated with cryptocurrency transactions. These fees vary depending on the network and the level of congestion. Factor in the fees when determining the amount you want to transfer. Binance verification. If you haven't already, make sure you've completed the verification process on Binance. This is necessary to access all the platform's features and avoid withdrawal limits. Conclusion. Transferring crypto from Newton to Binance is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities. By following these steps and keeping security in mind, you can easily move your funds and start exploring the exciting features and opportunities that Binance offers. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and expand your crypto journey. And, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.